It's the 87th episode of Risk On. I'm Todd Ault. This is Jason Bartholomew. Welcome to the show. Welcome to our studio. Skyla's in the house. Skyla, show everyone your nails. Now, she's going to say her boyfriend likes these nails, but my wife has had French manicures since the day after she agreed to start dating me exclusively. Oh. I love French manicures. Show them again.
I've been changing him around,
They're
but
really
then I went
beautiful.
to go see his family, so I was like, I'll get French tip. And
they're really pretty,
Yeah.
for sure. I think every guy I know, and probably every girl, can appreciate French manicure. Can't you appreciate that?
I appreciate it for sure.
Do you?
Yeah.
The funny part about me not being a girl is if I was a girl, no one would date me because I'm so ugly. But,
oh my God.
But the one thing I do like about women is they have a selection of clothing, makeup, and all kinds of things that we don't have. But I have this hairstylist now who's like, give me a fade here. You see that? And the shave
The
in
fade
my,
looks
my beard.
nice.
So I feel like I look a little better.
Yeah.
Do you think I look a
for
little
sure.
better?
For sure.
Presentable? I
Yeah.
got some gray in my hair.
Presentable.
I don't know. Hey, those of you on the radio, I will never make the mistake again of forgetting that this is the radio show. So welcome to KEIB 1150 Los Angeles and Orange County. That's an AM station in Orange County and Los Angeles. And we're on the iHeartRadio app under the Patriot Network. We play every Monday, every Sunday at 1 o'clock. Sometimes they move us around. Welcome to the listeners. We're going to pay attention this time because last week we kind of blew it.
I am live on the chat also.
Do you remember that? We blew it last week?
We did.
Yeah. We won't do that again. We won't make that mistake. Josh is in the house. Josh, how are you doing?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I'm excited today.
I'm excited too. I like the Risk On in the background. There you go.
You know what's
Thanks.
exciting too is
What?
the portfolio today.
I don't know what's going on,
Oh.
but we are just ripping. Like, I cannot believe what we're doing. I mean, seriously.
Wow.
It's great. Knock on wood, every piece of wood you can find. Holy Toledo. Even I'm going, wow, dude, this is crazy times.
I'm watching, for those of you that have been listening to the show, the radio listeners are just getting this now. I mentioned a couple of stocks that we were taking positions in.
Oh, yeah. Carver.
One of them was CARV, Carver Bank. That thing had a nice day today.
Right now, well, we're not closed yet, right? How many
No, we're
minutes
not
you got
closed.
left?
We got 2 minutes.
Carver is at 1170 right now. CARV, CARV, Carver Bank Corp. Well, wow.
We alerted it at like 1080.
Yeah, no, dude, you've been on this even before that.
That was a
You
good
told
one.
me about this 5 months ago.
Well, here we
But
are.
we're killing it in that thing, right?
We got Todd sized up in that one a little more.
Yeah, we did size up in that. There's nothing in this portfolio except that we're adding to Express EXPR.
Yeah.
There's nothing in here on this portfolio that you'd say we need to really. We tell everyone about it all the time.
Right.
You know, Canon, Naked Brands, which is down to 60. I got to buy some more Naked Brands.
Is it in the
It's
60s?
the 60s now.
All right, we're going to buy
All right,
some
let's
Naked.
buy some more Naked.
Live on
I
air.
like to turn the.
Oh, wow,
Bye,
yeah.
bye.
Buy that.
I like to turn the
Turn the
buy
blink-
button on.
turn-
Hold on.
turn the volume up.
Hold on. I'm gonna put in 50,000.
Listen to this.
And
Ooh.
we're going to go to the market order and make it a market order for Naked. There it is right here. Hold on, let's go. 68.66. Let's see where we get filled. Okay, yeah.
Are you going to show it?
Yeah. Done. Naked.
All right.
Yeah.
Done.
Naked.
You know
Are we
what?
Zooming.
There's only 14.
Oh, I don't think you can zoom.
There we go.
Oh, it's still dinging.
It's filling.
Oh, yeah, there's still 37,000 to go.
We
Yeah, 68.91.
on
still
Fridays.
filling.
It's still filling.
68. Oh, 69.
I see it. 69.13. 22. 24. Look at it go.
It's not done yet. Wow. God.
Wow.
Come on, man. It's only 50,000 shares. What's wrong with this thing? All right, whatever. It's still dinging.
I'm trying to get some applause
43,000.
here. Well, I guess we don't have any.
60. Wow, it's 70. Come on, man. This is ridiculous. 50,000 brings it back to 70? Come on.
Wow.
Oh, they canceled it with a little bit left.
Because the market just closed. You had it going, yeah.
Oh, was that the end of the market?
Yeah, it closed just
Oh, no,
now.
I just saw it because it went below 68. I wanted to buy some.
Well, you got filled on some
All right,
of it.
well, there you go. Maybe I'll buy some in the aftermarket for sure. So this portfolio has NVOS in it, Carver Bank, which is 1170, CLBS, another biotech play. We're along the NAC, Pebble Mines, NAK, LGHL. I don't know where that came from.
Lion
That's one of
Group,
your-
Lion Group.
A Lion Group. KIQ, you eating dog on that.
I'm
since the
buried
day
in
you
that
bought
one.
it.
I'm buried.
Canon, we're long Express, EXPR. We just put that position on in the low 5 range. We traded it earlier in the week, so this is a new position for us.
Correct.
Market just closed. Why don't we hit the tape
I'm
here?
compiling the numbers
Are
now.
you compiling now?
Yes.
That's good.
Nice rebound for gold today.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
I see that.
27.91.
Wow, the portfolio rocked.
What do we?
Iconics, IK, NX killed it. SS&T, Friedman, Engine Media, Mary Lam. I never say this right. Mary Lam Frank. Engine Media up. AMC. Do I have to cover AMC every day? Look at this. Look what we made in AMC. Now I want to point out to you that that's what we made in AMC. That's what we're down. But we in the last 3 days we made 70,000 in AMC.
I know, and we were hooked 100K.
Yeah, we were hooked for more than 100K.
Yeah.
Because the thing rallied like crazy.
So
Month to date, let's go with AMC. Let's check it out.
Bitcoin, Elon.
AMC, we're down 19,000.
We
made 70,000 on the options, but they don't count them in the same spot
for the options.
So every single option I had in AMC expired today.
Yep.
I bought them all back, and so let me, for full disclosure with everyone, tell you, for all you people who want to rip my head off and eat my insides. Sorry for the radio listeners. I think that's a graphic thing. I am short the June 25th, 21 90 calls. I'm short them. And I'm short the June 25th 95 calls on AMC. I got paid $11.61 for the 90s and $11.45 for the 95s. So the stock has to go to 106 and 101.6 for me to start losing money.
That's pretty good range. Yeah, I mean, it could happen.
Those of you who are listening to me, I'm not recommending those because you can get your head cut off.
Absolutely.
I have a lot of capital. I've been trading a long time, 32 plus years. I ran a hedge fund since 1998. I took a small break. I'm back at it again. And though I would tell everyone to be very careful trading naked options, not naked, the brand, the company naked, being long or short naked options where you're not protected, they're not covered. For you home gamers that are new to that, that's the day today, by the way.
Let me see. Plus the what was the other account? Maybe.
No. You got to go like this. There you go.
Yeah, I like
The
that.
ripping plus the other.
I like
400. Plus the position in engine.
I like the month we're starting on June 4th, and we're already.
Yeah, we're killing it.
Yeah.
What's the story? Listen, we're humble about it because it doesn't always happen, and occasionally. Hey, it worked out.
We're crushing it.
Good week. We'll see how we are next week. Let's go to the market real quick.
Let's get into the market. Let's talk about the jobs report. Let's get into a lot of stuff here. So the Dow finished up 180 in spite of the disappointing economic news about the job report. The Nasdaq was up 200 to 13,814, and the S&P was up 37 to 4229. Bitcoin had a little difficulty after. We're going to get into this.
Elon,
what are you doing?
I don't know what's wrong with this guy.
I want to bring that
I like
up.
the new method, by the way. Brett's saying just hold the mic like this down and have it pointed up.
Yeah.
I guess good. I do it the opposite way. So there you go.
Let's,
hey, Josh, can we play the risk on rewind real quick? Is that possible?
Yeah, if we're ready for it. This is just a teaser, though.
We're not going to play the whole thing?
Well, it's like it's only 4 minutes, but it's longer. So
okay, let's do this.
We're going to launch it just after this show.
Okay, so after the show today, you guys go to my YouTube channel, ToddAlt.com or Risk On, and you can see these rewinds we do about everything we talk about. Is this MOSY?
Yep.
MOSY.
Oh, MOSY. It was hit $10 today.
It did.
I bought that stock and filed the 13D on them when they were like in the 3 range.
Yes.
Wow. Occasionally I get lucky. Let's play it. This will be fun. Let's go.
All right. Here it goes. Ready?
Yeah. We're talking about MOSY here, MOSY, and why did I buy it, and why you should never own this stock if the CFO is in charge. MOSY.
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 that the whole thing?
That's it. That's the 14-second tease.
What a tease.
Dude, that's not a tease. Come on. That's like, dude, what the heck?
I can play more if you want me to play more.
Put another quarter in the
You don't
machine.
watch
Come
after
on.
the show.
Whatever, man.
You guys are late. We bought a bunch of Naked at the Bell.
Oh, you guys are... Hey.
Only like 11 people were here because it's the early show.
Oh, they didn't see us by Naked at the Bell.
Dude.
I literally bought Naked brands online, like right here. I was doing it live, and the computer was ding, 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 ding.
50,000 shares, almost all of it got filled.
Oh, no, I bought more than that today.
Oh, okay.
But I bought 50,000 at the market. And then apparently I didn't realize it was right at
Right
the
into the
close.
bell.
Nah, whatever. Yeah. That
So
happens.
anyway, I wanted to get into Bitcoin was 36.9 after Elon, and you can look at this, Nick. Elon tweeted last night this right here.
I got no monitor, by the way. This thing's not working.
So he's got the Bitcoin with the logo and then the heart with the broken heart here. And he says, I know I said it would be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, but I found someone else. And then he says, so in the end, it didn't even matter. So is that an indication that he's breaking up with Bitcoin? And then he puts, I miss you. Like, it's just like crazy. Why are you crying? Because I miss you too. So Bitcoin takes a dump after that. And now it's at 36.9. It was nearing 40,000.
What is his problem?
I don't know.
Dude, why do we care? Okay, so he sends people to space. He has a solar company, and he makes electric cars. Okay, great. He's wonderful. He's brilliant. I really do believe that. He is brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. But this part's nonsense. This is just nonsense behavior. And why does he even have the time to put emojis up? And what the heck, dude? Send a rocket into space. Go rescue someone. Go to Mars. What the hell,
I don't
Elon?
understand it. So anyway, Ethereum's at 26.91, Bitcoin 36.9, Oil's close to $70 a barrel now, 69.39. Gold recovered, silver recovered, and
Hey, I wonder, those of you in the audience, are you noticing oil prices and gas prices? Because Skyla, what about you? Are you noticing oil prices? What's happening with gas?
Well, I know it's cheaper here. That's all I know. I was in California and I filled up there and it was so expensive.
But the problem here is even the prices here are going up.
I've noticed it a little bit, not
got
not
it.
a lot.
Well,
but a little.
those of you out there, my concern is at $70, you're going to start to see that price lift. We don't have $5 gas yet,
you're going to see it in California,
but you're going to see it in
right?
California.
Oh, in California for sure.
You were there. How much was it? Do you remember?
Like 4 something. It was high. it was expensive to fill up the
So
expedition.
energy
for sure.
independence no longer, which creates conflict in the country, in the world, because we need oil. We are, an oil-based economy. I don't care what they say. And so here we are with this administration deciding that, hey, it's okay. We'll rely on foreign nations that don't like us very much for our oil. What could go wrong? Oh, yeah, did you see that?
Yeah, I did. So we're going to get to this. The S&P rises on Friday to close out the winning week near the record high. If you've noticed, the indexes are kind of right. They're just going flat now. They're not really doing anything. They're just going flat. That's what I'm seeing here.
There's no momentum right now.
No, but for smaller names, for sure there is.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of momentum in biotechs, a lot of momentum in, for some reason, there's a lot of momentum in REITs right now, real estate. I know.
Hard assets, man.
Yeah. I mean, the money's spinning out of the, there's still some momentum in small caps, depending on what you're looking at. Financial institutions, there's definitely some money trickling in there. Crypto, nothing right now. Let's see what happens. AMC, GME, all the meme stocks were kind of meh today.
So AMC for the week, let's pull up the chart real quick. I love that wide shot, by the way. As we pull up the chart here, you see AMC closed at 47.91. It's 47.98 in the aftermarket. Obviously, what a ride. This is the last 5 days. Today's ride, wow. AMC was 57 and as low as 46. Here's my commentary on AMC. I saw the proxy. 25 million shares by 2022. First of all, they have $5 billion in debt, and they have covenants about certain amounts of attendance and stuff like that. It doesn't make any sense to me what management's doing. But if I own some shares in AMC, I can get a free thing of popcorn.
That's weird.
Guys, this is, I mean, It's almost gotten comical. Now, Kramer's talking about AMC can just buy all the studios around. Cinemark, which has a better balance sheet, trades at a much bigger discount. This is a $30 billion company with $5 billion in debt. You know that, Jason, I don't know if you're with me on this one, but I get this whole, we want to break Wall Street's back. We want these gamma spreads where we're buying options, YOLOing options way out of the money.
That's crazy.
But the day this is Skyla's third grade class, and I assure you, they're playing musical chairs. So I remain short AMC. Yes, I remain short AMC. I'm completely transparent. I wrote call options. I wrote the 90 and the 95s. I got paid $11 and some change, and I remain short AMC. Actually, the stock too, because when I write a call option, if it goes up, then they put it in my account as short when it expires.
Yep.
So you can't really borrow this thing; it's impossible. By the way,
they're not allowing.
They're not allowing shorts.
Right, they're
so
cutting
the way
it
I'm
off.
doing that is writing calls.
Yeah.
Sure.
And they're also not allowing any margin buys for.
I don't need
AMC.
margin.
No.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, we don't.
In fact, Will won't even let me use margin.
No.
My partner, he's like, "Why are you using margin when we have cash?" I'm like, "Oh God, I want to use margin to enhance return. No margin."
No margins.
I negotiated
That's
with
okay.
them. Okay, can I use 20% margin? No, only after you use all the cash.
I forgot to write this ticker down. So of course we've got several tickers to cover.
What do you mean?
For the show, I've got a bunch. I didn't have time to line them up today. We've been so busy.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
working
been
on a
busy time.
deal that I'm trying
a
to
day
get
job.
done. Yeah, so I'm working on a really interesting deal, and that's consuming a lot of my time. But it was BRQS, Bork. That was one of the tickers I wanted to look at. But let's talk about something that was brought to my attention from Papa G and Buddy B. Justin Davis Rice, CEO of Naked Brands, is his Twitter account was dormant for like 7 years.
Does it come alive?
He's alive today.
What's it say?
He's back. It has been a busy
this
few
is his
months,
first tweet here.
and I look forward to sharing updates as we build Naked Brand Group, NASDAQ symbol NAKD, into an exclusively e-commerce focused intimate apparel and swimwear business. Stay tuned. Exciting times ahead. At Naked Brand Group, hashtag intimate apparel, hashtag e-commerce. Welcome back, Justin Davis Rice.
Wow. Hey, my daughter's here, by the way.
I know.
You let her in?
It should be open.
Is it locked? She could just open the door, right?
Oh, it's locked. she said.
And the Naked Brand Group Limited actually retweeted him, so he is on the map. Awesome.
Wow.
Oh,
Come
and
on in. Are you
Flan,
coming on studio?
Oh yeah, Flan Network. Thank you for the super
you
chat.
coming on camera?
And thank you for
We're live on the radio,
bringing
too.
that
This
to my
is
attention as
KEIB.
well.
Hey,
Buddy
tho-
B, thank you as well.
Hey, those of you on the radio, KEIB 1150 Los Angeles and Orange County, and on the Patriot Network, my daughter's in the house, but she doesn't want to come on stage, do you? You wanna
Yeah,
come
she
on?
does.
No, it's okay. Do you want? You need those?
Keys.
They're if you sit at my desk, they're in the left drawer.
Yeah,
where
make
you
her come
going?
all the way over here to tell her that.
Where you go? I want to see my daughter. My daughter works for a big company, one of the biggest in the world, and she's graced her presence with her dad this week in Vegas, and she's off back to Seattle soon.
Oh, you just gave it away, Seattle.
Oh, no, could be Microsoft, could be Salesforce, could be lots of other companies.
Okay, all right.
Don't worry about that. You know where it is, right? You be back soon?
Yes, I'm not very far.
Skyla got Subway.
I know.
Yay!
We call that.
I love seeing my daughter. Okay, she's my firstborn. I love seeing my daughter.
I can tell. Is it Subway or Scrubway?
I don't know.
It's gotten better because it was not good like a year or two ago.
Andrea
I would have
calls it
never eaten
Scrubway.
it, and now it's better.
I don't know.
It's
I
better
I
now?
still like it.
I think so. They did something. Tastes better,
Wyatt Puts says AMC
right?
will hit 100.
Brett
AMC
agrees
will hit
with me.
100.
He might be right, by the way. It might hit 100. And if it goes to 100, I'm going to short more.
This microphone is not working well.
What's wrong?
It's dying. Look, it's
I think
just-
we need new mic stands. Brett, you don't have to keep getting up. It's all right, buddy.
I don't know what's going on with it, but that's okay.
Do you want him to fix it?
No, it's fine.
I think I'll short more at 100.
I like USAU, US Gold, up after hours. We have a position there.
Hey, I wonder if that biotech,
It's not. It's it unhalts right now. Literally right now, it's supposed to unhalt.
is it?
All right, everyone. LMNL.
Oh, my God.
Did it unhalt?
It unhalted.
Oh, it mooned. We missed it. We didn't get it. We didn't get filled. No way we got filled at $5. It's at $6.50.
It's trading.
God. Okay, so this one LMNL.
Actually, I got filled a little bit.
Did you? FDA approval. It's got a $31.45 52-week high, a 52-week low of 341, 10 million float, and it's mooning parabolic on a Friday afternoon when most traders are supposed to be
I did get filled.
out drinking. You got filled?
Uh-huh.
It's $6.70 in the after hours. It closed at $4.02.
Yeah,
NMNL.
and Larry, Mary, Nancy, Larry. It's at 667.
And it's flying.
Check out SYN ASAP. SYN.
FDA grants approval to LMNL Biosciences Riplasm treatment. That's the news. And it's definitely ripping. It's $7.
Synthetic
It's
biotech.
$7.
What? Oh, it's on the MX. Synthetic. What is this? What is SYN?
I've seen that before.
It's on the MX.
Yeah.
75 million shares. Why am I checking that
It's
out?
hard for me to look at that when I'm looking at LMNL.
Why am I checking that one out?
I don't know. It's 58 cents. That's a troll. I'm not looking at that.
Am I being trolled?
Yeah, I'm looking at. He's trying to.
No.
No, I'll keep an eye on it for sure.
All right, it's 725. All eyes on LMNL. That's crazy.
LMNL?
We should have put more bids in. That's my fault. I should have put them in at 550 and 6.
Look, it's $7 now.
Yeah, I know.
That's all we got filled on 10,000.
That's more than most. Wow.
What's the story there?
FDA approval on one of their drugs. Just going crazy.
You know what? Anytime we've gotten something that's gotten FDA approval, we've done pretty well.
Yeah. Remember
Oh, God. Oh, yeah. I remember that for sure.
Anyway, that was one we wanted to look at. We got it
It's
on
710 right now.
It's 710. It's volumes pouring in. I like to look at the 1 minute here.
I was wrong, by the way.
What happened?
We have 20,000 shares.
We have 20,000 shares?
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, let's reset this. Where are we at? We're in section number 2.
Whew.
Jason, what are
All
we
right.
covering today? What stocks are we covering today?
Well, of course, we have this one live. We talked about CARV. Did you pull up the chart on CARV?
I'll
don't
do
think
it
we
right
did.
now. Let's do it.
Let's talk about what we're doing.
Why do you? I think you should tell people why you like this stock. Let's pull this up. Now, according to you, Jason, this has a really small market cap.
Look at the
and you saw J.P. Morgan put an investment in this,
yeah.
right?
Look at the 5 year. So
the 5-year.
yeah, have to be the 5 year. Can't be. There it is.
Oh my God.
So that's June.
You've been
9th.
dead right on this.
That's
thing, by
June
the way.
19th.
Yeah.
Juneteenth, as we
Yeah.
refer to.
Market cap 35.8 million. How small of a bank is it, man?
It's tiny.
Range $1.63 to $22.75. Hey, those of you in the audience, if you're looking left to right, this stock has moved steadily higher over the last year and a half. Now, I want to make sure I keep myself politically correct here.
Yeah.
This is an urban lender. Does that mean lends to it's an African American bank?
Well, it's minority owned.
Minority owned
bank.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Sorry, I didn't know the proper terminology.
They also have partnerships now, like in conjunction with
J.P. Morgan, right?
Yeah, and Wells Fargo. All the bank members can use all their ATMs fee-free, which is nice. J.P. Morgan did put some money into the bank itself.
Hey, I want to pull up Tesla today. Let's pull that up real quick. This is a ripper for me again. Why, you ask? Because I wrote the 600 calls, the 605s, and the 600s, and the I think I even wrote some even higher than that. And these expired, most of them, by the way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like the 4th or 5th month in a row. Tesla, if you look at it, I think year to date, is down $130 year to date, down 17.91%. And if you look at that chart year to date, you can see, well, really, let's go 6 months here. You can really see a run up and then a pullback. So for 6 months, $42 down, but effectively flat, right? Well, and I'm starting to see, to me, these things that while there's volatility here, not a lot going on.
He's hurting his stock, I think.
I'm selling those premiums, by the way, right?
I mean, he needs to just stop talking about Bitcoin all the time and just worry about what's going on in China for his orders. The month of May, Tesla orders in China were 50% less than they were in the month of April. So think about that. That's like something that he needs to address.
Here's
And-
GameStop year to date, up $231. But I point out, if you go back to just to February, the stock's actually lower than it was. But look at this chart. I mean, this is an amazing situation here. Wall Street Bets has made this thing happen. It literally is $248.
That doesn't even show it went to 483.
Right. It's crazy. No, I know. It went to 483. I noticed Rocket Mortgage. I'm going to bring that up real quick. Rocket Mortgage is back to, oh, wow, it didn't hold 20. It was almost back to 20. Everyone knows we've been playing that one for sure.
Show me some love on URG.
URG.
Yeah.
I never heard of it.
Yeah, you have.
I know, I'm just kidding around. Your Energy, here we go, $1.53, up 6.5%, up 9 cents today. It's
Not
doing
bad.
fine. Let's go to year to date. This is upgraded stock.
Looks good.
If you're looking at the radio, this stock is 80 cents at the beginning of the year. Year to date, it's $1.53, up and to the right, doing great.
We're holding that. We're trying
URG, we are holding that.
$2
We have
target for us.
150,000 shares for full disclosure. We are long that stock.
Another one I wanted to look at. This is one this is near and dear to your heart.
Which one?
ANVS.
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 I'll be honest.
ANVS.
I put an order out to sell it today and it got filled.
It did.
63.
Okay. It went to 67, I think.
There it did go. Here's ANVS. Here's the last 5 days. It saw, if you look left to right from the radio, $45 all the way up. This hit 92, 93 intraday. I don't understand why these charts don't show that. It's very frustrating to me.
You know what?
We're going to upgrade our charts.
Yeah.
These are terrible.
Yeah,
I'm
this
just
is
not
terrible.
happy with this. But stock closed at 63.98. ANVS, they raised $50 million at $50.
Correct.
1 million shares. So it's $13.98 higher than that.
And they had a 28-person study where they had some cognitive improvement.
Right, for Parkinson's and for Alzheimer's.
You know, that one data point sent it pretty high.
It did. And then you see Cassava. I
Yep,
never say
Sava.
it right. Look at this year to date.
That
this
went
thing
to
was
128, remember?
This thing's up $57 year to date. Went to 128, $64. The Alzheimer's stocks are kind of lining up now with
Yeah.
Biogen coming out soon.
Yep, Biogen's
Next
coming
week
out.
we're going to hear about Biogen. Personally, I don't care about that drug. I know people that are on the trials. I'm not impressed, but it's a big
It is.
newsmaker.
It is.
If you think about Alzheimer's, when someone finally makes a breakthrough, and I don't know where that's going to be, but if you think about it, you remember before ED, there was just going to be Viagra?
Right.
Within a couple of years of that, everyone had a Viagra drug.
Yep.
And they were different strains. Once they figured out how they could help with ED, there were there's Cialis, there were different ones you could take,
Yep.
long-acting, et cetera, et cetera. That's what I think is going to happen with Alzheimer's, because there's a lot of different variants in Alzheimer's.
Skyla, let's talk about medicine and different, like you said, different strains, different types of medicine. How do you say it? Cannabinoids? How do you say it?
Cannabinoids, yeah.
Yeah, so with cannabis becoming legal and treated like as a medicinal purpose, you know a lot about this. You see different types of medicine, if you will, that handles different types of pain, anxiety, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
For sure.
Because I know like there are some strains of the cannabis that could actually pep you up a little bit, which I didn't know.
Yeah, so like there's a difference between like sativa and indica, and
Okay.
like the sativa like you'd want to smoke like during the day because
Okay.
it's a like a head high, whereas the difference of indica is a body high. That's why you smoke indica when you go to sleep.
So
Look at this guy,
they're
Alan.
different.
How do you say his last
Interesting.
name? Massino?
yeah,
What a nice thing.
what did he
What?
say?
He said, living my good life, riding my e-bike on LBI while smoking a cigar and listening to Todd Ault. Doesn't get much better than that.
Hey,
what a
that's
nice
cool.
thing to say. Even if
Yeah.
you're trolling me, I still like it. It's wonderful. But if it's meant with kindness, I love it even more. You know what happened for me? I went to Indiana and someone gave me a gummy.
Oh my
Now I hate edibles. I can't stand them. But this person promised me that they were only 5 milligrams, but unfortunately, it was a sativa, not an indica. I didn't realize that. So it kind of pepped me up, which was not good, but I slept like a baby. So I'm kind of like going, okay, these things, cannabis for medicinal purposes for sleeping, oh my, man.
It's good in moderation for sure. Like for edibles, you don't like high dosage, but if you have like a 5 milligram, that's perfect for you. Like
For me, it helped me sleep
Yeah.
like a baby. Really,
5
I get the
milligrams.
best sleep on those. You really hate that thing,
This
don't
thing
you?
is driving me nuts.
Yeah, but you're just turning every handle. You can't keep doing that, man.
I'm about to throw it like Bill O'Reilly did.
Don't go crazy on me.
We'll do it live.
We'll get you. We'll get you a new one.
Cannabis, just full disclosure, is perfectly legal here in Nevada.
21 and over.
21 and over. Well, you just kind of threw yourself under the bus there.
Well, I have a med card,
Oh, all right, perfect.
California edition.
So,
though,
you know, with keeping that in mind, if I were to try a couple of edibles, I guess Alt Global here, Alt Alliance, I wouldn't be subject to a drug test, I guess. Well,
I don't think so.
Okay.
Hey, Naked Brands. Let's look at the chart up at Naked Brands. I'm kind of disappointed with this. I don't get it. What was it? 90 cents, and it was 95. Hit a buck, and goes back to 70.
buy the dip, bro.
I did, brother. I bought 50,000 at the close, which I didn't know. I really did. I did.
Buy some more.
Do you think I should buy this more right now?
25,000 more.
Okay.
Do it.
I'm gonna go buy 25,000 more Naked Brands.
Listen to this.
No, I got to turn it on here. 25,000 more.
Wyatt. I don't know. Maybe Wyatt.
I love trading this thing, man. It's just crazy. Oh, you got to put a limit in after hours.
Yeah.
All right, I got to put a limit in. That sucks.
It's at 70.50.
All right, here we go.
Actually, you're going to take this wall out.
Oh, it filled the whole thing.
You took the wall out, maybe.
Yeah.
At 72, there was a wall.
Oh, there's more there. I'll buy more.
Crush that
Let me
wall.
buy more. I love trading this thing. We make nothing but money with it. Naked, man.
We don't have enough watchers today. I wish we had more.
No one likes us.
I
It's a
know.
Friday.
For some reason on Fridays, though, we don't seem to have as many watchers.
Todd's just smashing naked walls
Look, yes, they're filling
on Risk On.
70-50. Hey, all right, cool.
Cool.
I'm listening to I listened to each of your shows twice. Haha.
Yeah, JB Ballin's awesome. He
By the
sends
way,
me such.
JB Ballin. I think JB Ballin follows me on Twitter.
He sends.
I think he follows me on Twitter, and I follow him.
Nice.
Let me know, JB, if you're the same guy, because I see his little Wall Street thing over there, and I was
Yeah.
like, "What the heck is this?" His Twitter looks all official.
He's smart.
His Twitter looks all like serious.
He sends me great stuff on Telegram.
JB Ballin.
JB Ballin, love the name.
I
We
love
got
it.
2 more tickers I want to cover, and we got about 4 minutes in this segment. Do you mind, or you want to look at them? If not, I can. Pull
Yeah,
them
let's
up.
go do it. Yeah, let's put them up.
AREC. AREC. I talked about this in the last week or two. I hope everyone is having a great Friday. I appreciate everyone
What
here.
do you like this thing?
Well, it's an infrastructure. It's American Resources Corporation. It's an infrastructure play.
Yeah.
It's a metals play. It was beaten down. It's a West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee footprint, carbon. It's concrete, asphalt, all that stuff. How do you say that word? Metatological, something like that. That's a tough word for me. Anyway, Mark Jensen, the CEO. I like him. He's active on Twitter. I just started looking into the stock. It looked beaten down, depressed. It looks like they have a lot of activity brewing in their minds. So yeah, I just decided to take a look at it.
Those of you who like Marshall Wilkerson, if you like Marshall, he'll be on the show next week a couple times. I'm hearing rumors he might even be here in Vegas.
He's probably got to get out of Zoo York.
Zoo York?
It's crazy there, man.
Right.
It's crazy.
Marshall will join us again next week. I assure you, I can say with confidence, what other tickers you want to follow?
BRQS.
Oh, you want to say that?
I wanted to.
Ooh, I didn't even think about that. Okay.
Why not?
I'll do it right now. BRQS. Those of you who, this is a new disclosure. BRQS.
Yeah.
We are long BRQS. Borks Technologies. What do you want to talk about them? They're a 5G play.
Yeah, I just thought it was interesting. It had a lot of activity today. It's is this on the?
Hey, I noticed, by the way, speaking of 5G,
Yeah.
ever since I got the vaccine in this shoulder, if I hold my phone over here, this side, I get better Wi-Fi than on this side.
Well, just keep
You're
it over
kidding.
here. When you want to execute
Kidding.
trades for naked,
No.
Do it over here. You guys notice I do my phone over here now? Because the Wi-Fi seems to be better with all these swollen lymph nodes. I'm just kidding around.
So-
I got my vaccine on this side, and then this thing swelled up. And my wife, my wife every year gets a mammogram.
Yeah.
And Kaiser said to her, "Hey, listen, you just had your vaccine in the last 6 weeks. We want you to wait 6 weeks before you come in to get a mammogram." Well, I said, "Why?" She goes, "Because of the lymph nodes." So clearly, it's a side effect.
Yeah, of course. I looked at the.
What about
research
you,
on it.
Jason? When are you getting your vaccine?
Never.
Never.
Not a chance.
You're not a never Trumper, but you're a never vacciner.
I'll never get the vaccine. I don't care what they try to do to me. They'll have to flee from mountains and piles of 223 rounds coming at them. It'll never happen.
Ouch.
They'll be downrange. They'll be 30.
Okay, got it.
You got it. Never
Shouldn't
gonna
have brought
happen.
up that. So what do you want to talk about with Bork? I brought it up on the screen.
Oh, it needs
Bork's
to regain
Technologies.
It needs to regain NASDAQ compliance. It's under $1.
Oh, did they get a letter?
I think they got a deficiency letter.
Oh, really?
So yeah, they have to cure that, kind of like Naked.
This thing was at $3, then fell all the way down here, and now it's back close to $1.
Yeah.
For full disclosure, we're long Bork's BRQS.
That's all I had for tickers. Oh,
That's
one,
it?
yeah, one other scalper, FTEK. I missed it. I was kind of, you know how you miss a trade?
FTEK.
Yeah, FTEK.
What is that? What's that? What are they? Fuel Tech.
It's Green Tech. Yeah, I missed this one. Hey, Green Techs have been beaten down. They're starting to curl up.
Wait,
a little
78 cents today?
Bit. Yeah, it was a big move.
Wow, it's a big move.
Yep.
Wow. Well, after a big pullback,
Yeah.
year to date. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, let's go to the audience now for section number 4, and cover some stocks they want to talk about.
Do we want to get back to the LMNL? We didn't look at it.
Can we pull that up?
LMNL.
Let's see where it's at. I thought it would have been higher. But it looks-
Shervin made a comment that curling hair looking good.
625.
Yeah, this thing's pulled back on FDA approval too.
Yeah, that's weird.
That doesn't make any sense, right?
Very weird. It is after hours though, on a Friday.
Maybe they weren't as impressed with the FDA approval.
The third said he had the antibody test, and it shows that he has antibodies, and he never felt sick. Huh. Interesting.
But did he get tested?
Yeah, well, I don't know about for the Rona, but he said he had the antibody test, which means he had the Rona, but he never lost his smell and taste and all that fun stuff.
Well, I think that's only a severe symptom. Like when you
One-
lose your
just
smell
remember,
and taste,
though,
that's a severe.
Fauci picked his bracket and Rona won.
Rona did win.
Coronavirus won. It was the best, is the national championship of infectious diseases, right?
How does Corona beat Ebola? I just don't get it.
Well, because of the vastness of it.
Okay.
How fast it spread, etc. You know, all those people not wearing their masks.
It's fun to say Ebola, though.
Hey, can we pull up on the screen here the stocks people want? How am I going to find out about this?
What are we looking for?
We want to hear what the audience wants to talk about. Let's
We
go.
got the chat.
Okay, can we
Got
get
one
that?
right
Give
here.
us some tickers. DTEA.
DTEA. What the heck is this? What in the heck is this?
I don't look at it.
Who gets this stuff? What the heck? Who gave us that?
Vastly
David's
creative.
Tea. David's Tea.
David's Tea?
What the heck is this?
Let me guess. They're crypto mining, right? What are they doing?
It went to $7 back in February.
Oh, they have earnings next week. Oh, in 2 weeks. I'm sorry.
I don't even know what David's Tea is. Has you ever heard of David's
Is this like
Tea?
a cannabis tea?
I mean, what is David's Tea? Is a Canadian specialty
What the heck?
tea and tea accessories retailer based in Montreal. It's the largest Canadian-based specialty tea boutique in the country. Well, anything's large in Canada.
David's
Following
Tea.
the company's initial public offering common stock, it began trading on the global markets on June 5th, 2015. For 5 or 6 years, there's been a company called David's Tea, and I've never heard of it.
David's Tea.
The company had 240 locations, but in July of 2020 required financial reorganization, which involved permanently closing 42 U.S. stores and 166 in Canada. They're focused on e-commerce and wholesale business. David's Tea. Drunk Turan says, check out AHT. I'm convinced it's going to fly.
Pull that up.
AHT. Hey, I need some Apple computers, by the way.
Can you get them?
I got to remind him. Oh, this is this Ashford. He's brought this up before. Ashford Hospitality Trust.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it did fly today. Went all the way to 580. Looks like 579, and then pulled back. Let's look at the 1 month. Oh, yeah, this thing has been flying. What do you mean you're convinced it's going to fly? It's been flying. Huh. I looked at this deal. They this tightly held. Sundial back above $1.09, by the way.
That's crazy.
Yeah. What else we got here?
Their market cap's like ridiculously high.
CBLAQ.
Oh, that's OTC.
Is it OTC?
Yeah. You got a video?
Hold
What
on
about
a second. Hold on a second. Here says Hudson Trader. I remember you hearing you wrote Tesla puts. Did you nail that right on both the calls and puts? I actually did. Actually, yesterday, interestingly enough, Hudson, I was down about. They went to $30 because the stock went to like 570, and I wrote the 605s. Maybe they were even $35.
I'm looking at BBIG.
And so I was down pretty hard in them, and then the stock rallied, and I was able to close it out. So I got lucky there. So believe it or not, because it closed around 600, it just all those I either bought them all back for a decent profit or they all expired worthless, one of the two. So I got lucky on Tesla today. But I did write some puts. I wrote the 605 puts. I was actually wrote the calls too, so I was able to call when it ran to 570 yesterday. I bought back the calls. Those of you new to option trading, when I wrote a call naked, that means that people, if the stock went higher, I'd have to sell them stock at that price. And when I wrote puts, if the stock went lower, they could sell it to me at that price. And I spread both sides of it, and it worked out really well. Actually, Tesla, I'm actually going to look that up because how do I find what I've made in Tesla?
On IB, it's trickier.
IB is a lot harder to find out. Huh.
BBIG, that's a digital marketing company. Is there something going on
Wait.
after
BBIG,
hours?
hold on a second. BBIG, I know that name. Wait. I was looking to do a deal with them at one point.
It's getting crushed after hours. Well, not crushed, but
BBIG.
it was up 26% today.
Vinco Ventures.
Yeah.
Where is it getting crushed?
I don't know. I'm trying to find news.
395 down 5.9%.
I mean, it was up 26% today.
Yeah, it rallied really hard today.
Yeah.
Hall of Fame's back to 425.
OCGN is no thank you.
OCGN.
Vizzle, I know that
Do
name.
you know anything about this Vinco Ventures? Are
Genus?
is a setup for an epic short squeeze? That's what they're saying.
Whoa, let me see.
They're saying that Vinco Ventures,
Hold on, I'll tell you.
BBIG, epic short squeeze,
Really?
5 hours ago.
Let's see if I can see that.
That's what it says here.
Wow, they're actually right. They're
Why?
actually right about that. It is set up for it. What kind of volume did this get today? How did I miss this?
Vinco Ventures
Wow, 124
BBIG
million shares.
could be the next target of a major short squeeze if one analyst is pegging it right. This comes as a meme stocks start to lose out. The rally began early this week. Well, with it dying down, retail traders are already looking for their next short squeeze.
A lot of insiders own this.
BBIG, selective acquisition,
Interesting.
is a selective acquisition company that seeks to buy digital assets and technology companies.
I don't know. It's 70 RSI on the daily. I mean, it had a huge day today. Let's see what happens Monday. Huge amount of shorts in this thing recently. They're right about that. Let's see if they can get some.
Let's go to
volume.
the screen real quick. This guy, William Mead. If BBIG can get near 5, it will take off epic short squeeze. Huh. Interesting.
Yep. Oh, Will Mead. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know anything about the company. All right, we can go off that. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know anything about the company either. I need to do further review.
Why didn't you buy any more Jan today? We bought some more Jan.
Somebody's asking about, Papa Gorilla, don't troll. You know Gush is a winner. Oil's going crazy. Hey, Jitendra Chalk, POWW. Hey, we didn't look at that.
Where?
POWW.
Yeah,
Jitendra Chalk.
we cut this back.
I know we did.
Anyone who's followed the program knows that we cut this back. We bought the preferred, and we cut this back. We have 115,000 or so shares.
Right.
And right at the close today, it sold from 680 down to 650, down 30 cents. And I'm like, wow, it was hitting us today. But we still have 100,000+ shares. This was an 800,000 share position, and I think we just took everything we could out of it.
Look for something to happen next week with POWW. They'll have their official ribbon cutting ceremony of their new facility in Wisconsin.
Uh-huh.
And that should get some eyes onto that stock, in my opinion.
We're still big fans, right?
Yeah, for sure.
But now they're sponsoring NASCARs, and
Yeah.
everyone's starting to know about them. And
Yeah.
they got a 500 million plus market cap.
Right.
They issued a preferred.
What's cool is they have a brass casing company too.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty interesting. What else we got?
LCI.
LCI.
You know this name? LCI?
No. That one I don't know.
Stocks 4.6. What the heck is this? It's got to be Robbie. It's not quite. Robbie has like the most. I should hire Robbie as an analyst. Like this
know,
guy,
right?
Robbie. You should move to Las Vegas and just come work with me because you like literally are stocking. You and Jason are very similar. LCI. Huh.
LMNL 640.
What do they do? LCI.
Oh, I'll tell you. LCI.
Headquartered in Philadelphia. Been around forever. They have a what is that? Creamer's Urban.
They distribute generic versions of brand pharmaceuticals.
Will you write that name down?
Yeah,
I'll take a look at
I
it,
like
Robbie,
that
for
one.
sure. How do you say that? Lynette Company? Is that what it's called?
Lynette Company.
Lynette Company. Huh. I like it. Let me look
Very
at the
interesting.
chart here.
I like this
Wow.
one.
Well, Robbie, year to date, this thing's come from $9 to $4.60. 52-week high 1070. Low is 4.612. They're at the low.
Ravi looks like a reversal to me
Robbie's
on the
looking
daily,
for- he's
buddy.
trolling some
Inverted
bottom fishing
hammer.
here, buddy.
Hey, Ravi, this is a good pick. Ravi, this is a good pick.
What?
No, I like the stock.
You do?
Yep.
What about LEDS?
Good one, Ravi. Oh, that thing went ham today.
Did it?
LCI, I like that stock. I'm not recommending it.
Why was it up $5?
I don't know. Leads, that's a semiconductor.
Yeah, Robbie knows more than we do. Hey, thank you to the audience at the radio network, KEIB, Los Angeles, Orange County, 1150. The Patriot Network, we're on iHeartRadio. Skyla,
Yeah.
today's joke is on the radio, so hopefully it's a little less dirty than yesterday.
It's less dirty.
What do we
for
got,
sure.
Skyla?
So I want you to think about this one. What's blue and smells like red paint?
What's blue and smells like red paint?
Yeah,
I don't know.
blue paint.
Blue paint.
Wait, say that again?
What's blue and smells like red paint?
Blue paint?
Blue paint.
Oh, my God.
Whatever, dad joke. Whoa! Whatever, man.
Somebody,
What?
the UK Stang said he got his second Pfizer and has tons of hives.
That sucks. We hope you get better.
Dude, Rudy, no sports picks today. We're going to get into that in this segment.
Let's do it.
actually.
Yeah, I got
we-
8 minutes left.
Yeah, we got 8 minutes left. We got to go quickly. We're going to cover risk on sports very quickly. My friend Jason, we had 2 bad days in a
I
row.
got smoked.
We're very transparent. We did not do well the last 2 days.
Here's what I'm gonna make an excuse.
What's the excuse?
I was a little bit last night. I was doing a little bit of dart throwing. I was so busy working on deals for my day job. I made a mistake, and I put a parlay together that didn't incorporate the 2 picks that I wanted to. So I wanted the White Sox in the under, and they both came in, but I had them split up, and then the Angels just where is this? The Angels just crushed me and took out my my profits. It would have been my profits. So I apologize. Keeping that in mind, we do like the Miami Marlins and the Texas Rangers today. Those will be sent out on the Risk on Sports text messages. What's that number, Todd?
949-799-1831. Put in ROS in the text. 949-799-1831. 949-799-1831. Put in ROS in the text. You get the risk on picks. Jason, still killing it. $1,200 bankroll April 1st.
We're regressing. We're at 6,400 bankroll.
6,400. 1,200 to 6,400. Jason, you're killing it. Hey, Crypto Joe's in the house. What's up, buddy? How are you? A little stressed?
Stress.
Crypto's trying to buy a house, and he's experiencing the feeling of escrow and closing. Huh?
Twice.
Twice. You
Yeah.
like that?
It's awesome.
Randy, what's up, buddy?
Happy Friday, guys.
Hey, you're on the radio too, KEIB, Los Angeles, Orange County, 1150, on the Patriot Network.
Hello, hello.
How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Anything you want to cover?
Yeah, I got a little F1 news for you guys.
Let's go.
There's a-
Let's go. F1,
there's
we love F1.
Grand Prix this weekend in Azerbaijan, if you know where that is.
Azerbaijan?
Where's
Baku.
that?
Yeah,
I know.
awesome street. The most awesome street circuit there is. They're racing there this weekend, and so far it's good news in practice. You got Red Bull 1-2, Perez and Verstappen, Ferrari 3 and 4 with Sainz and Leclerc, Alonso 6th, Mercedes 11th and 16th. So it looks like the tide might have been starting to turn at Monaco, and I hope it's true, and I hope it's going to start changing because it's going to make it better for everybody.
Does Randy show any bias at all against Mercedes?
No, not even a little bit.
Not even a little bit.
Listen,
Randy,
it's
I can't tell who you like here.
No.
Can you make it clear?
There's no bias. If you talk to anybody across the world in any country, they don't want to see this. They want us to have Ferrari up there fighting. They want McLaren fighting. They want to see all these teams fighting for wins and championships. Nobody wants to see a one-sided championship. Let's face it.
Hey, Crypto.
What?
What do you got? You got anything?
Yeah.
Are you
What-
just
did
are
you guys
mellow?
talk? I mean, I was gone yesterday. So did you guys talk about Baffert and his ban?
Why don't you
No.
cover that real quick? Because he was banned from the
Seriously.
Kentucky Derby, right?
He was, and the horse tested positive twice. So he's now banned. I believe it's 5 years.
Bob Baffert.
There's another ban today too.
Who?
Olympian lady.
That's a risky sport there.
Yeah, so Roland's at Mcneal. She's a hurdler. Her name is Brianna Roland's Mcneal. Banned for 5 years for doping.
Wow.
Wow.
Remember that awesome girl that went to the UNC Chapel Hill, Marion Jones?
Oh yeah, for sure.
She got that type
She
of
got
treatment
that
too.
too.
Yep.
Man, she
Right
When
before an Olympics.
I was an Olympic shot putter, and
Yeah.
I was trying out for the Olympic team.
Yeah.
And when I did it, I took the test. They knew right away I had steroids, and they banned me immediately. Like it was like only like I was like 3 minutes into testing, and they said
Dude,
we
you
can
were juicing?
Yeah, when they could smell the steroids on my body. And they're like, you're out. You're out for sure. Hey, I want to talk about Donald Trump real quick. Donald Trump could be back in the on Facebook in time for the presidential primaries. Today, Facebook announced their ban for Trump is going to be 2 years from Facebook, starting January 7th.
And Instagram.
No, I thought he was back on Instagram.
I thought that
No,
I
because
thought
it's
that
tied to
ban-
Facebook.
Yeah, I thought that ban was for both platforms.
Yep.
But I thought I saw him on Instagram. the
No,
other
that's
day.
always the way there. They always have that up.
Oh.
Yeah,
oh.
it was a troll.
It was a troll. He wasn't back.
Yeah.
Oh, Jason, you reported that to me, and I was all excited for
I
Donald
know, I
Trump.
got trolled.
I was waiting to see the tweets and everything going on, but I guess not.
Right, and he only might be back, right? They said they would reconsider it in 2 years.
Oh, I know, but I thought they said that he would be banned just for that 2 years.
Yeah, but in a second statement, we'll reconsider his application. in
I
2
can
years.
I can assure you there's something bad here. So Fauci, you know what he can do, right? He can have things said on Facebook and stuff like that because he controls that conversation, but
Right.
Trump can't come on there. You all right over here?
That's crazy. I'm just reading the news.
Oh,
Yeah,
got it.
There's a lot
Yeah.
of problems with that, man.
There's crazy stuff going on.
But you heard the conversation between Trump and God. Why can I never remember her name? Is it Owens? No,
Candace?
Candace. Yeah, she said she asked him on air on Fox, "Can I be your vice president?"
She did?
And he said that would be a great choice. Is what he said on air, live, not joking.
She's a killer.
What do you think the
In a
chances
good way,
of Trump, what do you
obviously.
think the chances of Trump honestly being reelected?
0.
I think it's 0.
I think he
DeSantis is going to be the next
I think he
president.
backs DeSantis and he tries to get Candace Owen as his running
No,
mate.
DeSantis is going to be president.
He's a beast.
He's a beast. DeSantis will be the president.
I'm so proud of that guy. And he's former military. Was he
Yesterday,
Navy?
did you see Joe
Yeah.
Biden yesterday? He talked about 15 months in office he's been.
15?
15?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
I actually happen to like Joe Biden.
You don't have to lie.
No, I do. I actually like him.
You like him
He's
how?
he's a gentleman
No,
in the
he's
Senate.
not.
It's been a long time.
He told the union worker that he was going to take him out back and beat him up when he was questioning him about the AR. What did he say? AR-5 or
Yeah,
something?
forget about all that, man.
Whatever.
Yeah, just be
I
positive.
got 3 daughters. I'm not sure I'd let Joe Biden around them.
All I know.
Just putting it out there, man.
Ow! Wow, the gloves are off with
I don't
only
need
2
to get
minutes
into
to
it.
go.
You've seen the videos. I don't need to get into
my
it.
Lord.
Don't use Google.
Oh my
Use
gosh.
DuckDuckGo. Google sensors.
You asked.
Hey,
There
what
it
show?
is.
What right side of the world is this show on?
Look, I'm not either side. That was gnarly. I mean,
Yikes! Well,
even the left has had to show all his weird behavior on the podiums lately.
You know the FBI guy that kind of hid the fact that, so here's what happened real quick. Hunter Biden applied for a pistol permit. He got it. He lied about his background. He said he never did any kind of...
allegedly.
Yeah. No, he did.
Okay.
The FBI agent and the Secret Service agent that both covered up for him, both of them got promoted. One of them's a CEO now of a company. I mean, this stuff is crazy.
Hey, yesterday I got to, on my podcast, interview Alan Parsons. You know
Awesome.
Alan Parsons Project? I am the eye in the sky. Dude, it was awesome.
Yeah.
I was starstruck. He was on my show. He's got a new album. He invited us to go to his concert in Santa Barbara. It was great. I had a great time. Josh, Hey, what's up for next week, Josh, on the calendar? Anything you know about happening next week? With about a minute to go, what should we be looking out for? Marshall's going to be on the show next week. We got crypto back. We got Randy back. What's happening next week?
Lots of things coming down the pipe. We're excited.
Absolutely. We're going to be launching some gear now where we're going to have some questions where you can win gear. Instead of us just giving it away, you actually have to do something other than text us. But I want you to text 949-799-1831. That's a way of communicating with me. I promise you every text comes from me or my team after the first text. And if you, listen, 949-799-1831, you can just text me, get on my text list, even if you want to tell me bad things about me. Just come on. We can share stock ideas. We're open to all kinds of things. We appreciate you being on the show. Randy, thank you. Crypto Joe, good luck with the house. I know you're going to get it. My man Jason, what an incredible week. Fist bump.
Yeah.
Nick and Brett in the house. Really, what a wonderful week. We'll see you Monday at 1:05. Enjoy the radio show. Those people, for you, it's Sunday. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Hopefully football will be back soon. We'll see you later.